Hey guys, Editing Ronnie here. I just wanted to say that during the filming I did a very poor job of making sure that there was no extra background noise. So I apologize for that. I did my best during the editing to cut down on that. I still hope you guys enjoy the video and I love you so much.
Hey there everybody, Veronica Mars here, and today I am going to do something a little bit different. As you can see, you cannot see my face, but you can see my nails, and I said in my last video that I was going to do these press-on nails, and that is what I'm doing today. So let me pop them bitches out there. Packaging. Okay. Security sticker. So it says it comes with 6 nails, including 6 accent nails. Interesting. I've never done this before, so this will be my first time doing this. My camera setup's a little bit different. I'm hunched over my phone. Here we go. Here's the file and the adhesive. Oh, well, I don't plan on filing them, so it's not that big of a deal to me. Here are the instructions. What nails do I want is the question here. Let's see. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in my ass. Here we go. Okay. So it said it had some accent nails, and I don't know where they are. They don't really tell you which nail is which, so I'm just gonna assume that this is the thumbnail. Yes, it is. Okay. Let's see. One of those helpful tips. Okay. Okay. My nails are not dirty, thankfully. I did not prep before this. Okay. Let's do this thing. Prep pad to get rid of the oils. Alrighty then. Hope I didn't just rip the prep pad. That would suck. Is this for all of my nails? I guess. Okay, so. Excuse my cuticles. Oh, it smells like acetone. This has to be acetone. Oh, God. 30 nails? That's 3 sets of nails. It's kind of dope, I guess. I go back to work soon, so I can't wear nails. So I'm gonna have to do this while I can. I guess that's to pop them off. That's good. Okay. Okay, I'm assuming I'm in frame right now. I'm really hoping I'm in frame. So I'm gonna start doing this. God, okay, that wasn't even in frame. Can you guys see that? Okay, I did that. They say to do your thumb last, so I think I'm gonna do my left hand first, because that's the easier one. So peel off the adhesive. Wow, this is like scary. Oh no. Put my cuticle. That don't look too bad. That don't look too bad. Let me just check. See if this is big enough. This doesn't look big enough to me at all. It fits. Fits this one better though. Let me check. Finger, whatever works for my finger. I'm gonna say fuck it. Okay, next I'm going with the ring finger. This will be the accent nail. Oh, that looks quite atrocious. Who cares? Certainly not me. Next. This is not going to be a long video at all. This is just a video to tide you guys over while I'm, I guess, recovering, I guess. I can't put on makeup right now because my eye is infected because my contact got stuck behind it, which was really super fun and enjoyable. Yeah, that was a thumb one. That looked like a thumb one. No, the thumb one is bigger. Okay. Who cares? I don't care at this point. It looks huge. I need to take this off. Sorry, ma'am. You'll be exiting the building. Shit. That feels awful. 15 minutes and only not even one hand completed yet. My time management is quite awful. For what? Like literally for what? Okay. That one's on. Now I think this will be the index one. Definitely not. Holy shit, that's so big. Yeah, no. And something smaller. Like this, maybe? Yeah, there we go. You see that? Okay, good. Ah, yes. I stuck that on wrong. It's so hard to do standing up. Simply Nailogical coming for your gig right now. It's crooked. Who cares? Okay, and then the thumb one is last. Oh, now I have to match. Okay, let me figure that out real quick. This is the middle finger one, so I'm gonna put this one on first. That was kind of hard to get off, so that's good for the integrity of the nail at least. Okay. This one might pop off soon. I think this is the one I absolutely ripped off my finger. Okay, I've really stopped caring and it's more like whatever's best for my nail and fitting the shape of my nail is what I'm gonna go with. Oh my god, it's so hard to pick up. Okay, there we go. Smaller. What the fuck? Make it make sense. Yeah, okay, this is it. This is the index finger one. I wish they labeled them. That'd be so cool. Okay. See, this is coming along just fine. Are these the same nail? These are different nails. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. You literally can't even give me 3 sets of nails and only give me 6 accents. Well, yeah, you can. Never mind. It's gonna be so hard to do anything with these nails on, I just know it. It's okay, they're temporary. That's not even right. How are these? These are the same nail. No, it does not fit on my pinky. That's fine, I'll just use the bigger one for the pinky. Let's do this shit. No. That's fine, that's good. These don't look that bad, actually. This one is kind of the only one that I think looks atrocious, but I don't really think that's my fault. I think that's just the way my nail is shaped. Put it on this one first. these are not that bad. And it's quicker than like painting your nails, so maybe I'll do press-ons more. Got these at Rite Aid. Ow. Ooh. Put that one on too low. That hurts. Oh well. Put this one on too low. It hurts, but it's okay. Not the end of the world. It's okay. I'm gonna take this one off in a minute because it hurts. I put it too low. My cuticles look a fucking mess. Ugh. There we go. That's where I should have put the other one. Right about there. Doing surgery. I think I'm gonna try to put it back on, but this one might actually pop off. You did that for what? I hate motorcycles. Or I don't think that was a motorcycle. That might have just been like one of those little dick energy cars. You know the ones. You guys know what I'm talking about. Alright. That's the manicure. And that's the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Bye guys. Love you.